Okay, here's one that gets a lot of students at first, so I'm going to break this down for you as much as possible. We are differentiating d dx of xy. So, thing is, this is a product x times y. So, basically, what you can't see if I want to rewrite this, the multiplication sign in the middle of the x and y, right? And because you can't see that, sometimes you'll miss that, okay? So it's a product, which means we'll be using the product rule, all right? If you remember the product rule for derivatives, it's f prime g plus f g prime. And I'm going to label it this way down here so you can understand what's going on here. F prime of x, f prime, okay, so basically what I'm saying is this is our f, okay, which is x, y is your g. That was a terrible g. So first of all, f prime would just be whatever the derivative of x is, right? d dx of x, which we know is 1, right? And then you'll have g, which is, I need to be consistent with my colors here. G would just be y. And then we know that the way the product rule works after that, f prime g plus f g prime. So f is x. G prime, however, when we take the derivative of y with respect to x, is going to be actually what? 1 times dy dx. So I just kind of broke it down there for you so you can see exactly what's going on here. Okay, so this will simplify to, here's your f prime is 1. Okay, here's your g, y, plus f, x, times g prime. The derivative of d dx of y would be 1 times dy dx, right? So f prime g plus f g prime. I'll do it one more time just so you don't get confused. F prime g, remember your f is x. F prime g plus f g prime. You're doing implicit differentiation within the product rule. That's all you're doing here. All right, and then you're just going to simplify that. 1 times y is y. X times 1 times dy dx is x times dy dx. It's going to be your final answer. So it means that the derivative d dx of xy, again, we should probably use parentheses here, is equal to y plus x dy dx. So in case you just want to remember that, the derivative, the d dx of xy will always be y plus x dy dx. Now, if you were doing d dy, the answer would be different, right? Your y would be fine as far as not having to do implicit differentiation. Your x would be different. The derivative of that would be 1 times dx dy, which would look weird, but that's what it would be. Okay. That's it for this example. If you have any other questions about it, let me know.